galaxy, the orb is constantly under attack because it contains the precious Power Stone. But fear not, the guardian of the genome is here to save the day.
Essentially, P53 was called guardian of the genome because when there is DNA damage in the cell, or the cell is under stress, P53 can act to arrest the cell cycle so the DNA damage can be repaired. Or if the DNA damage is too extensive, then it can send the cell into apoptosis.
P53 is a tumour suppressor gene that codes for a transcription factor, TP53. The significance of TP53 in tumour prevention is demonstrated in human cancer, where it is the most frequently detected genetic alteration. Without DNA damage, MDM2 binds P53 and targets it for degradation by ubiquitination. DNA damage activates various protein kinases, for example ATM, DNA PK, CHK2, which phosphorylates P53, preventing it from binding to its MDM2 inhibitor. This then enables P53 to bind to DNA and activate transcription of P21 through the WAF1 gene. P21 then binds cyclin-dependent kinases, which halts cell cycle progression at the G1S phase. This is because P21 binds to ATP binding sites, preventing its enzymatic activity and also binding to its cyclin binding site.
All systems running normally, Star-Lord. The Power Stone is stable.
Good, good. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day.
You spoke too soon. It's Nebula. She's heading for the stone.
What happens when P53 goes wrong? Both P53 alleles need to be mutated for the progression of cancer in accordance with the Knudson's two-hit hypothesis. The key mutation of P53 in relation to cancer progression is a loss-of-function mutation in the DNA binding domain of the protein, preventing P53 binding to DNA and transcribing WAF1. However, there are a number of secondary gain-of-function effects mutant variants of P53. These effects include inhibiting other proteins related to tumor regulation, such as P63 and P73, regulating transcription factors and complexing with proteins, DNA, or miRNAs.